Okay, so another step here in doing the door insulation. We've taken off the side pocket thing, which is basically it's just a compression fit. You just literally just pull up while it's sitting there on these little things right there. Just grab each one, just give it a little pull, it'll pop out, and then you're gonna have some clips there that go onto your light. You can just take those off by, wiggling them off. You can get a little plastic pry tool and just pry them off of the actual light, and it's pretty easy to do. And then you might even want to look at changing your light for some LED lights in there. It could be save you a little bit of battery power. On to the next step. So just taking the plugs out to get the door off. It just goes in like this, and you just kind of gently pry it off so you don't mess up the plastic too much, and then it just pulls up. So next thing, you gotta pry this baby up here, and it's a little firm, but you will get it. Just gotta work it. Be careful with the plastic, as always. This is really just muscling it out. It's got all these clips. They're actually fairly durable. I didn't break any of them, amazingly. Just get a couple out. If you've got a pry tool like this, that can be helpful. You can get in and get a couple of them started. But really, anything plastic, just get your fingers around there is good, and then just give her a tug. And this thing here, that was plugged into your window opener. And then we've got this here, which needs to be pried. Secret, you get a little pry bar in there, and you can pull that up. So I just used that, got behind it, pried it, and then when you get to here, then you've got to just pop that out of the clip holding it. There you go. And that'll scooch over, and then we can lift it out, and you've got a separate door card. So that just goes in there, and then it goes in there. That's your opening.
Unglamorous part you often don't see is wiping out the dust. Always. It's already off. Wipe it off. We're going to be putting glue on it, so it needs to be clean for adhesive.